This is Julie Bancroft, and I invite you to call or text me anytime at 541-680-1484. I look forward to working with you. This is a beautiful one-owner custom home in a sought-after gated community with stunning valley and hillside views. This light-filled home features an open floor plan, high ceilings, and expansive windows. Enjoy the convenience of 2 main-level bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a luxurious primary suite with a spa-inspired bath, walk-in closet, and private slider to the covered back patio, creating the perfect indoor-outdoor retreat. The chef's kitchen offers granite countertops, dual pantries, a large island, and breakfast bar seating, all open to the living and dining areas for effortless entertaining. Upstairs features 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and a flexible office or bonus room. Additional highlights include an oversized finished garage, tankless water heater, attic storage, and a prime location just 8 minutes from the hospital. This move-in ready home combines